Harsh environments can wreak havoc on production equipment. Environments where corrosive gases permeate the air are especially challenging. Conformal coatings offer a high level of protection in many environments, but corrosive environments require a more impenetrable solution. Because corrosion occurs on internal electronic components, it's hard to see and can lead to premature failure of variable frequency drives and other critical assets. Rockwell Automation Chemistry and Materials Lab took this challenge head-on and performed first-of-its-kind experiments. We tested variable frequency drives to determine the impact over the life cycle of each drive. The results confirmed our customers' data. So, we set out to develop the next evolution of protective coatings. After several years and relentless testing, we were able to deliver an enhanced PowerFlex drive that performs well in these harsh environments. We call this enhancement XT Corrosive Gas Protection. Our proprietary formula is designed to increase the lifespan of internal components and outperform any existing solutions available today.
So the strategy that we took in developing these extra tough products, there's a number of changes that we've made to the product. One that we've made is we've enhanced the coating that we put on the circuit boards to protect it against corrosion. Another example is we've collaborated for a couple of years now with one of the leading suppliers of a critical electronic component in the product, and we've developed in collaboration with them a corrosion-resistant electronic component. And so we have a very specific test that we've developed that I know is actually the fastest one in the industry. It's the collection of these design changes that enables the product to be labeled extra tough. It's more than just the circuit board. It's the collaboration that we had with these key electronic component suppliers. It's component level verification, it's board level verification, it's product level verification, and it's all really been enabled with the investment in these very unique corrosion chambers. I'm proud to say Rockwell has the biggest corrosion chamber in the world that was custom built for us. The easiest way to visually see the impact of the extra tough design is through a simple experiment of putting an uncoated circuit board, a standard coated circuit board, and an enhanced or extra tough coated circuit board in an accelerated corrosion test. You can see from the results the impact of the design changes that we've made and how that impacted corrosion.
This major evolution in corrosive gas protection is now available on PowerFlex 755T drives. XT Corrosive Gas Protection can improve equipment utilization, increase equipment reliability, and keep your production running in these extremely harsh environments. Can you afford to operate without it?